Welcome back to the channel. Of course, as always, it's Silverado Zach here with Truck Brothers, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of some more upgrading. I don't know, maybe a downgrade. I don't know. It just depends. See what y'all think. We're actually going to be replacing this grill right here. It's me shooting by myself today, so I'm probably going to be leaving y'all on the tripod. I will try to move y'all around and get y'all in a better viewing area of what's going on. So here in the next few minutes, I'll probably move you up, and we'll get a close-up of what we got to take off, and then I'll set you back up on the tripod, and we'll get it taken out. Give us 1 second. We'll get this thing going, okay? Right, so here's what we got. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's actually supposed to be an engine cover, or a cowl cover right here, but mine got damaged due to me not paying attention, leaving a magnetic screwdriver stuck to the top of the hood and shut it and knocked a massive hole in it. Also, there's these arms on the back side of the grill. I ripped mine off because it makes it easier to get it off whenever I go to take it off. Then also you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little clips. You just pull, they pop right out. It ain't nothing to it. But let's get you set up on the tripod, and we're gonna roll it. Here we go. Alright. I think that's a pretty good angle, you guys. I think I can see it pretty well. Alright. Got my impact. These are 10 millimeters that hold this on, so well, it's not in there. It's okay. We got another one. Don't need anything deep to take this off, so here we go. Now, you don't necessarily have to do this with an impact, but it does certainly help because it makes it a whole heck of a lot easier than hand cranking them jokers out. That was like 10 seconds worth of work, wasn't it? Alright, let's go ahead and grab right here. There we go. And she's out. And this thing's, yeah, of course, got the billet grill in it, so it's pretty weighted. The thing weighs like at least 20 pounds. Gotta be. Another thing I wanted to do while we were here, right, two of my little cookie clips didn't come out. There's 1. There's 2. They're out. Another thing I wanted to do while I was here, I actually wanted to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what's coming soon. I may do an install on it, I may not. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. We'll see. But I do want to see how this will somewhat look being placed, or how it will work. No, I don't know. I'm going to have to build 2 little brackets that come up and curve over to hook to it. Or I could. No, that meets there. I don't know yet. I got it for free, so it's a matter of figuring out what I want to do with it. Alright, I do need to go ahead and pull this emblem out of here. Let's see if it fits the other grill. I certainly hope. Oh snap, it fits. Okay. Get it back out. I gotta peel some stuff off the grill real quick. I'm gonna pause the video and then we're gonna get right back into it, okay? Give me just a second, we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and do the install. Yeah, this grill's kind of messed up. It was kind of a wrecked truck that it came off of. I mean, I don't really know the full story on it, but as you can see where the screws bolt in at the top, especially that one right there, that one looks really rough. But That's okay. Ain't nothing we can't fix. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. Oh my. Oh, it ain't even bolted up all the way and I love it. I already love it. Oh, where did I put that? There it is right there. I'm gonna kind of like halfway put this thing in place because I don't see it. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Drop a like in the comments if you think that looks like total beautifulness. I was gonna say sex. Well, it looks like total sex. It does. It's totally hot. That looks awesome. Oh my goodness. I've been wanting one of these grills for so dang long, and I happened to get one for free. I can't believe that. I'm so happy about that. Man, I can't thank Bristol enough. Golly, that makes my truck look so good. I'm telling y'all, drop a comment, like, whatever. Let me know what y'all think of this grill on this truck. I think it looks fucking amazing. Or it looks amazing. I think, man, it makes a look at this truck. It really does. Now I'm using some big washers on here because, like I said, this grill's messed up and broken. I want to make sure it stays on the truck. I don't want it coming off, so I'm going to pull these off and put 2 washers on them real quick. Nothing big on these. These are 2 small screws, so I'm just going to put some little bitty washers on them. Something a little bit bigger than what comes on the bolt itself, so I don't have to worry about this thing coming loose. Now I do have to do a little bit of wet sanding to it because there is some overspray, I guess, from where he painted the emblem that was on this grill. That's no big deal. That's easy problem to solve, easy problem to fix. But I'm not going to install the emblem until I clean it up and do a little bit of touching up and wet sanding on it. But pretty much there it is. You got 4 bolts, 6 locking tabs that hold it in place. Of course, there is a cowl cover, but I don't have it on mine. It's like, I think, maybe 12 total clips that hold it in place. It comes right off. It's just little snapping clips, nothing crazy. But that's it for today's video. Please drop a like. Comment on what you think. Was it a pretty good video? I did get some criticism from subscribers saying that I was being a little too, I would say, jokingly towards the repair video. So tell me if you like a little bit more seriousness to it, or do you want to throw in a little jokes, whatever. And as well, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.